Division by 3, Part 3. Let's start. What is 63 divided by 3? The answer is 21. 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21. Now, for the second problem. 57 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 19. 57 divided by 3 is equal to 19. For the third problem. What is 84 divided by 3? The answer is 28. 84 divided by 3 is equal to 28. The fourth problem is, what is 39 divided by 3? The answer is 13. 39 divided by 3 is equal to 13. Now, for the fifth problem. 21 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 7. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you. Now, for the next problem. 12 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Here's 4, the seventh. 78 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 26. 78 divided by 3 is equal to 26. Now, for the problem number 8. What is 54 divided by 3 is equal to? The answer is 18. 54 divided by 3 is equal to 18. The number, ninth problem. 30 divided by 3 is equal to? The answer is 10. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Now, for the last one. What is 27 divided by 3? The answer is 9. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you.